I don't fish on the north wind. Today is kind of cold. Temperature like 65. We'll see what will happen. And if any crappie, sand bass available here. You can hear the background. The wind pretty strong. We see how it goes. I got a first one, sand bass.
这是你的灯是吧？
不是，too small. Let them go. Got a crappie. Oh man. He's cheekhead. Got my glove. Let me cut. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's a keeper. We're checking him out. Yeah, 11 and a half. Good keeper. One here. It looks like it's pretty good. The wind brought more oxygen. Water, the fish is pretty active. Sand bass, it's small, we let them go. No, it's been crazy. A lot of sand bass. We have to leave. Pretty good catch, but only 2 crappie keepers. The rest are the white bass. Thank you guys. See you guys next time. It looks pretty good, even the north wind, and doesn't affect much. All right, next time.